Welcome to usinks.com, your trusted source for industry-leading coding and marking solutions. Today, we're excited to showcase the incredible capabilities of the Squid Ink SQ laser coders, precision tools designed to meet your toughest production challenges. The SQ laser coder is built to deliver clean, permanent marks on a wide range of materials, from metal and glass to cardboard and plastic. Whether you're marking bottle caps, boxes, or other packaging, this technology ensures every code, logo, or batch number is crisp and legible. With zero consumables, the SQ laser coder reduces operational costs while maintaining unmatched reliability. Say goodbye to ink cartridges and downtime. This coder keeps your production line moving smoothly day after day. The user-friendly design lets you customize your codes with ease. Whether you need to mark simple text or complex graphics, the SQ laser coder adapts to your needs with just a few clicks. Speed, precision, and durability. Everything you need to boost your efficiency and ensure compliance with industry standards. Ready to elevate your production line? Visit usinks.com today to learn more about the Squid Ink SQ laser coders and our full range of industrial coding and marking solutions. usinks.com, your partner in precision.